Hey, online shoppers, ever scrolled past an ad for Ainsley Blake and wondered, wait, is this a real brand, or am I about to get scammed? Today, I'm cutting through the confusion and giving you the honest 2026 review you need before you click buy now. So first things first. As of early 2026, there's no big well-known store called Ainsley Blake. Most of the legit-sounding reviews you'll find are actually talking about Austin & Blake, a UK jeweler with real stores in Newcastle, Manchester, and London. People love Austin & Blake for their quality rings and great service, but that's a totally different company. So, what's the deal with Ainsley Blake? Here's the truth. When you dig into search results, most Ainsley Blake sites are either brand new or totally unknown. Even worse, scammers love to use names that sound trustworthy. There have been flagged reports of people with similar names, like Ainsley Sally, running ticket scams on social media. And the confusion doesn't stop there. For example, Blake & Associates is a real debt collection agency, but people sometimes mix that up with scam calls too. If you've spotted an online clothing or lifestyle store called Ainsley Blake, I'm going to be real with you. Be extremely careful. Scammers often copy website designs and flood them with fake 5-star reviews. Their goal? To grab your cash and disappear. Let's talk about red flags. If you're on a website using the Ainsley Blake name, watch out for these classic scam signals. Prices that seem way too good to be true, especially on high-end items. Spoiler, they probably are. Sneaky hidden fees, like being asked to pay extra for consolidation or shipping after you've already ordered. Zero customer support. If there's no working phone number or just some generic email, that's a huge warning sign. And check how old the website is. You can use Hoy's lookup to see if the domain was registered just a few weeks ago. New domain plus sketchy reviews? That's a recipe for trouble. Here's my bottom line. If you meant to check out the real jeweler, go directly to the official Austin & Blake website. Don't risk your money on lookalike sites, and if you're unsure about any Ainsley Blake you run into, verify them through the FCA warning list or another official source before handing over your credit card. Stay sharp, shop smart, and if a deal feels off, trust your gut. I hope this helped clear things up. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments. I'm all ears.